Alright guys, it's just me and my mom. Oop, look at that. Single, single, single. Playing with my mom over here. She wanted to play this, so here we are. Well, keep on going, man. Started with $100 and here she is slowly playing, so I decided might as well just record my mom and see what's going on. See if she can hit something. She loves playing these dollars and 50-cent machines, so. Oh, right here? Aww. Come on, go red for my mom. Right here. Không có cháy đỏ. Oh, wow. I'm just going to be a recording guy for my mom right now. She's going to be that new replacement of me. Go red. No. Again. Bam. Should have went red. Again. You have to hit 3, Mom. Mixed bars. Not even. Come on. Drop a jewelry. Drop a jewelry from my mom. Right here. Okay. No jewelry drops. Matt, you should at least play Donald Trump over here. Okay, you want to play Ruby? Okay, that's fine. Keep on, keep on. You want to play this instead? We can play this. Yeah, see? Again? Go red. Oh, didn't want to drop a T. Mixed bars? Yeah. Okay, we'll just play her. T. Here we go. Mom, you know you only betting $1. Might as well max bet it. Okay, buddy. Something good will happen. They will. This machine loves you, Mom. Especially when you're betting $1. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty fancy, Mom. Drop a jewelry. Cherry. There you go. There you go. I think it will go red only on 3, Matt. Go ahead. We'll just take turns. Go ahead, Mom. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you just gotta have a little patience right now. It's gonna happen. Drop a jewelry, nothing. Okay, never mind. Drop a jewelry now. Notice my mom likes to hit that little cash out button every time she rotates her bets. Oh, there you go, 20 credits. Hi, Chupa Matt. You got 20 credits, which is probably like $10 since you're only betting $1. Oh, 25, I'm sorry. Extra 5 more credits. There you go. Come on, man. You hot. You're hot like fire. I'm telling you, man, you probably have to hit 3. My mom has had this thing about betting only on 2 credits. See? Now it's going to go red eventually sooner or later for your mom, Cherry. There you go. Yeah, do that. Whatever you need to do, Mom. Get it. Yeah. Just don't abuse her. You got this. Ah, come on. Oh, you bet one? Oh my gosh, you did on one, Mom. Oh my goodness. 50 credits. See, I told you would have hit 3, man. You would have hit 150. Yeah, that's 25 bucks though. That's not bad. No, you keep on. I don't care. You keep on doing what you need to do. Keep on hitting your 50-cent magic. Oh, okay. Let's go 2 or 3, Mom. Nobody wants to see 50-cent bet. You hit the Valentine's, Mom. I can't believe you didn't hit the max bet. Told you. Right here. See? Yeah. Well, it's going to come through. You almost made a double up. Come on, give my mom some more red screens. Even though I told her to hit the max bet, maybe she got to hit 1 or 2. Oh, you're done? You want to play Donald Trump? No. You want to play Donald Trump over here? Right here. 50 cent. Right here, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's Donald Trump. I'm going to try and make red screens great again. Come on, man. Where you running? My mom just ran off. Jeez. Here, let me bet. I feel bad. I think I made her disappointed because I was telling her to hit 2 or 3 and she had to hit 1. Just to hit the freaking Valentine's. Freaking crazy, guys. Come on, Matt. Push with me. Come on. No, I need you to hit. Con đang thâu mà. Go ahead, hit it. Back to $1 bet, and there you go. T. Oh, didn't do it. I think you had to hit back. Hit that 3, Mom. Hit that max bet. There you go. Mix bars. There, see? Trying to see if my mom can pull a double up or not, guys. Started with 100 and see if we can get up to 200 at least. That'd be kind of cool. Cherry? Not even. Come on, give it that red screen. Ugh. Ooh! That's a bunch of patterns. Probably like 20 credits. Oh my gosh, Mom, you bet only 2. We got 20 credits. So pretty much 10 bucks, guys. My mom and her not too bad. See? We're almost to a double up, Mom. Come on. Do it again. Oh, I didn't want to go red. Look at that bingo card, guys. Could have been something. And did it again. Sorry, guys. Normally I don't usually bet $1, but my mom is the pusher today, so bear with me. Come on, Mom, you can do it. Come on. Open the safe for my mom one more time. Come on, Donald Trump. Oops. There you go. Sorry guys, I'm trying to Light up my cigarette. Apologize for that. We almost got the double up, Mom. Got to reach that $200 marker. Oh, I should have went red. Yeah, old man, wake up. Give my mom a double up. Yeah, you listen to her. Yeah, yeah. You tell her, Mom. Do it right here. Mixed sparks go red. Should have went red for a pirate stripe. I mean step ladder. Ooh, come on, do it. Drop it away. Or safe, no. It's coming for you, Mom. I think the jackpot wants to hit. I think you gotta do 3, Mom. There you go, mixed bars. See? It likes you on 3. Even though the cards, oh, something. Never mind. Come on, Mr. Moneybags. My mom really want to try and get this double up. Cherry? Yeah. You were pushing the cash out to 3 and it does something every single time, Mom. You can do it. T. Oh, this time you got 40, man. So we got $20 this time. We caught the T card in here. Jeez, Mom, pushing all aggressive. There's that T pattern up there, guys. All right, look at that. See, I wish you would have pushed 3, man. You would have hit like 60. That'd be like 30 bucks. No, it'll keep on paying. You keep on doing your magic touch. Oh man! Oh, something! Come! Oh, never mind. Ooh, got single, single, single. So 10 bucks since it's a $1 bet. Sorry guys, I'm pressing aggressive. Oh wait, she got the L for 20 credits. 10 bucks still. I thought it was going to be the little pirate stripe right there. Well, whatever. It was an L, which is weird. Do it. Yeah, Mom, you tell him. Ooh, this is good, guys. She got triple, triple, triple. This might be good. This might be the G flat. Yeah, see? Oh, wait, this might be, oh, yep, the Valentine's. She caught a Valentine's again, guys. She caught it on the Red Ruby. Now she caught it on the Mr. Moneybag, aka Donald Trump. See, you pulled a double up, Mom. I wish you would have hit 3 though, but whatever. Yeah, it's alright. Oh, a T? Come on, Mom, you can do it. Mixed bars. Oh, okay. That's cool. You have to hit the bad. You have to hit the 3, Mom. Oh, okay. You want to do $1? Okay, whatever. There you go, guys. We hit the double up. We finally hit the double up, but my mom still continued this $1 bet, so I'm gonna let her run the show. Oh, go red. You didn't want to go red. I thought it was gonna be G flat, but Valentine's is good. Oh, you got it, Mom. Mixed bars. I wish I caught the whole footage, but you know, I didn't really think about it until my mom was hitting really decent on this. Then we started to record. I do apologize, this dollar bet, but this is how my mom rolls, and I'm just gonna support her gambling habits of betting $1 on a machine. I do this on a non-VGT. She does this on a VGT machine, so. Come on. I think it would get all on max bet, man. Hit on 3. It eventually hit on 3. Something good might happen. Ooh, right here. Oh my goodness, the bingo card was so pretty, but it didn't do nothing. T. Open up. Oop, we caught a T. Caught another 30 credits, Mom. 60 credits right there, which is 30 bucks. Oh, my mom pushing her buttons crazy. All right. Look at that. Caught another 30 bucks right there. Yeah, sometimes, yeah. It's all right. Look at that. I pulled the double up. Now my mom's turn to pull the double up. She's trying to outbeat me or something. I just got a double up. She's doing like double and a half. Come on, Mr. Moneybag, give my mom more. She's knocking on the window. Trying to get some more wins. Come on, Cherry. Yeah. Let's see if my mom can pull a triple up. She got a double up so far. Can we get the triple? Come on, you can do it. Cherry? Not even. Yeah, old man. Pay my mom. We're still gonna walk out as a double up, Mom, so. Okay. Yeah, we'll go home and eat some sushi off of this winnings that you pulled off today. Step ladder. No. Ooh, something. Never mind. Ooh. Yeah, no, but maybe it doesn't want to go red on 2, Mom. Maybe on 3. Ooh, do it. Ooh, we got the hot dog, guys. Face. So, well, she bet 2, was it? Oh, it's pirate stripe. Never mind. I thought it was gonna be a hot dog. The hot dog pattern was at there, but it's a pirate stripe. That's still good though. Would have been cool if it was cross corners. Yeah, no, we'll do it on 3. Yeah, it's been hitting on 2 because you've been betting 2 credits. Ah. Cherry? No, not even. Come on, here it is, right here, Matt. Right here. Never mind. So stupid 7 interrupted that nice little gameplay of yours. T? Ooh, we caught the T, guys. My mom caught the T. Face single, single, single. All right, I'm just gonna open another. Look at that, 60 credits. Bam! Mom, we're $11 away from a triple up. Come on. Yeah, that'd be cool too, but see, I told you 3 would do it. Ooh, nothing.
Come on, old man. Rest cho 400 hay cho tôi đủ 400 đi về.
Oh.
Giờ mới 200 mấy nè.
It's okay, Mom. You're doing well. Look at that. $8 away from double up. We almost got the triple up, guys. I apologize. I wins. My mom's. She has like a heavy hands. If you wonder why I have heavy hands, she's the reason. Or heavy fingers. You got this, Mom. We can get the triple. We can get the triple. Oh, come on. Donald, give my mom enough. Give her the triple up, bro.
Ba số 7 cũng được.
Okay. So one of the longest sessions ever, due to my mom. See, you won't do it because you're not hitting 3.
Hồi nãy ra chu nó cũng đổ. Rồi nó cho ăn cái này.
Yeah, hit that 3, Mom. It's gonna happen. Mixed bars. Yeah. Oh, either way, that would have been nice. That bean card wasn't there, Mom, so.
Đi mai em ơi. Cho nó về trong nữa đi. Đến đây đi. 2 cái mặt số 7, 2 số 7 cái mặt.
Okay, yeah.
3 số 7.
I guess this is an Asian thing. You just gotta tap on that screen like all the time. T? Oh, you didn't want to drop that. We could have had a double up. I mean, triple up. Do it right here. Stupid Donald Trump. I mean, Donald Trump. Sorry, guys. I'm just. Kind of sucks that my mom is doing a dollar bet. I want her to do a max bet. It's just an extra 50 cents more. But she likes this dollar, so I let her do her own thing. As long as it's paying, we keep on playing, right, Mom? Keep on hitting it. Ooh, cut the step ladder. Another 10 credits. Would have been cooler if it was $15. But yeah, it's gonna be 20 credits, Mom. Step ladder. See? Step ladder. That's why I say you should hit max bet. We would have got closer to our triple up. Go red. Oh, that card was there, but yeah. Yeah, that's what we need. I think you have to hit 3, Mom. Hit that 3. That's where all the business is at. But you can just play however you want. You want to bet $1, that's fine too. I'm so impressed that this machine's pretty active. It's been keeping us alive. Sadly on the dollar bet though, but ooh, something. Ooh, we caught the T, guys. Another T, I think. Please let it be a T. Yeah, it's a T. Oh, wait, no? Wait, oh, she only bet 2. Jeez, I thought it was 60. All right. Yeah, no. You would have hit 3, we would have tripled up already. It would. Here it is. Oh, didn't want to go red. T. Ooh, again. Open. You don't want to open that safe. How about now? Come on, something. There you go. $5 away from a triple up, Mom. You can do it right here. Open the safe. Come on, open the safe for my mom one more time. Let her do a triple up, Donald Trump. Come on, bro. Cherry. There you go. Cherry. Yeah, since my mom is staying with me for the whole week, decided to take her out to the casino, give her a little red screen fix going. Yeah. Come on, machine. We almost had the triple up, bro. Why are you going to slow us down? I think you have to hit BAM. That 3 is more gangster than the 2. Do it. Open. Damn it. Could have gave us another T. T? Come on, open up. Either we hit 300, Mom, or we go down to 250, okay? Yeah. That's fine, though. You gotta bet big to win big sometimes. Here it is. Here it is, right here. Told you. Should have went red for a T, but do it again. Come on, red screen, cherry, not even. Yeah, you tell her, Mom. It's fine. Sometimes you have to do that. Oh, back to $2.
Mấy chục rồi đó.
Go red. Damn it. Holy crap, this is like going to be a 30-minute video, guys. I truly apologize. Okay, we're done. My mom did a double and a half, so that's good. Thank you so much, Mr. Moneybags and Hot Red Ruby. Good times, baby.